Want picnic? Welcome to Island Rhyme.
Let's learn letter A.
A. A. Ackee. A is for Ackee. Do you know any song about Ackee? Okay, here is a song about Ackee. Sing with me.
Carry me Ackee, go Linstead market, not a Ackee was sell. Carry me Ackee, go Linstead market, not a Ackee was sell. Oh Lord, what a night, not a bite. What a Saturday night. Lord, what a night, not a bite. What a Saturday night. Everybody come feel up, not a Ackee was sell. Everybody come feel up, not a Ackee was sell. Oh Lord, what a night, not a bite. What a Saturday night. Lord, what a night, not a bite. What a Saturday night.
Did you know that Ackee is Jamaica's national fruit? Time for a Jamaican riddle. Did you know that Jamaicans really love riddles? Oh, what is a riddle? A riddle is a word game that makes you think. Can you think with me? I'm thinking. Let's play. Riddle me this, riddle me that, guess me this, and perhaps not. My mother have 3 picnic, and all of them head black. What am I? The answer is in one of these 3 fruits scrolling on the screen. Can you guess what fruit it is? Yes, well done. You guessed it right. The answer is Ackee. Join me again next time.